Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 181 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد سمع الله قول الذين قالوا إن الله فقير ونحن أغنياء سنكتب ما قالوا وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق ونقول ذوقوا عذاب الحريق. لقد لا is short for fatha, open your jaws. قد for qaf is heavy, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. لقد give very nice snaky sound as safir in seen. For fatha, open your jaws, and when your fatha is pronounced, your letter should be done, like it shouldn't prolong after the fatha. Before fatha, you are adding that safir sound. Me for kasra, give e sound. Ow, ain from your throat. Ain is never heavy. It is from your throat, but it's not heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lafz jalala, and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah, who for dhamma, circle your lips. Aw for fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow. This is 2 counts long because this is harf leen. This is harf leen. Lal, both lam are light. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is sometimes heavy and light. Otherwise, all the other lams are light. Lal, lam is attached with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Lal, and then fatha is short. La, the 2 counts long. Na, short. Qaf is heavy and it is 2 counts long. And alif with it is also heavy. Lu, 4 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips very nicely for dhamma. In, hamza is very sharp, attached, and kasra is very short, attached with noon. Noon will get gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give nice time. In, and then fatha will be very short, and it is attached with lafz jalala. No, noon will stay light, but lafz jalala's naam will be heavy. No, and then it is 2 counts long. Lo, ha is short. Fa, give nice hums before fatha. Before this, when you will touch fatha, your letter will be completed. After fatha, there shouldn't be any sound. Then fa, faqi, qaf is heavy and it is 2 counts long. Faqirun, circle your lips and attach it. Wow, this is idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. And circle your lips because this dhamma requires circling your lips, and this wow requires circling your lips. So you keep on circling your lips. Ruwa, and then wow is short, fatha is short. Nah, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get rukhawa. The sound should flow nicely. Nah, nu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Al, hamza is very sharp. Sharp means you're cutting off the sound right away. So the sound shouldn't flow at all. Al, and ghain will get rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. So give a nice flow of sound. Al, and ghain will be heavy too. Ni, for kasra, give e sound. Yeah, 4 counts long, and after 4 counts long, you are giving sukoon on Hamza. So these are the conditions to make nabar on Hamza. Oh, niya. This is Hamza, and this is nabar, and you are uh, bringing the yeah, creating a sound which is different from the sound beside it. These are very smooth, yeah, and then there's a jump of sound on Hamza. When you are coming on Hamza and giving back, this is the time where you are creating nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Oh, niya, s. Give this safir before fatha. When you will say fatha, your mm, letter will be completed. S, 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 neck. Fatha open your jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums. S, neck, neck. Tu for the circle lips, the sound is very short. Bu for ba is very sharp and very short sound. For the circle lips, bu. Ma, 2 counts long. Ko is heavy and 2 counts long. Lu, 2 counts long. Circle your lips nicely. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wa, qat. Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ta. Ta will get sip of hums. Qat, la is short. Ru for the circle your lips. Mul for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Qatlahumul Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws, and this is iqlab. So you're changing the sound of noon into meme. So it is complete meme. There is the sound should be in your nose for a longer time because this is a club. Um, B for kasra give E sound. Yeah, 4 counts long. A when sharp Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws. The sound cuts away right and there and then. A B for kasra give E sound. Ghain is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. Attach it. Yeah, this is hard clean, so you're making it 2 counts long and it is very soft. Softly you're bringing the fatha, and fatha should be soft and attached with ya. Why, edi for kasra give e sound. Haqiyum. There should be this misty sound before fatha. When you will say fatha, the letter should be completed. If you will prolong fatha, that will make mad letter. So we are not stretching fatha, but we are giving the sound of the letter before fatha. Ha, and then qiyum. This is qaf is attached with wow. This is idgham with gunna. Qiyum. Keep sound in your nose for a longer time. Uwa for wow, fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. And na is short. Qu for the circle your lips, and it is 2 counts long. Make cough heavy. Lu for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. Du, the makhraj of dal is when you are touching the tip of your tongue or on the edge of your upper 2 teeth. So, and you are circling your lips too, and it is 2 counts long. Du, cough is heavy. Whenever I say it's heavy, so lift your tongue up. So here we are lifting our tongue up very nicely. The last part of your tongue is being lifted to make this heavy sifa. Ain from your throat, for fatha open your jaw. The 2 counts long. Bell, ba is very sharp and clear and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ha from your throat, for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ha, ريق. 4 counts long, and qaf will be heavy and it will get sifa of qalqala. That 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ka short. Dhalika B for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 counts long. Qad qaf is heavy. Attached with dal. Qad da for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Mat for fatha open your jaws. Attached with ta. Ta will get sifa hums. Qaddamat. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open your jaws. Attached with yeah. And this is harf lean, so you're making it 2 counts long. This is ya lean, okay? So we can also say wow lean or ya lean, ya harf lean. It's all the same. I 2 counts long. The 2 counts long because this is mud letter. Kum for the circle your lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. Circle your lips for kaf, but you as soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on meme. Wa for wow, circle your lips and for wow, circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short, and hamza is very sharp. The sound cuts away. The makhraj cuts away the sound very quickly. And for fatha open your jaws attached with noon, and noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give it a nice time in your nose. And now for fatha open your jaws, keep noon light, but lafz jalala's lam will be heavy. Now low, and it is always by default, like it's always long. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Now low, ha is short. Lay lean, it is 2 counts long and it is very soft. Sa is short. B for kasra give E sound. Wa is heavy for fatha on your jaws and attach with lam. Lam will get a sifa of tawassut. And then la 2 counts long. Mil. This is idgham without gunna. So you are not creating gunna. You are not keeping sound in your nose at all. Mil. There will be tawassut. Lil, again there's tawassut. Ain from your throat for fatha open your jaws. Bead, 4 counts long because we are giving temporary sukoon on dal because of the waqf. This temporary sukoon created this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is called mad arid sukoon. بظلام للعبيد ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد لقد سمع الله قول الذين قالوا إن الله فقير ونحن أغنياء سنكتب ما قالوا وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق ونقول ذوقوا عذاب الحريق ذلك بما قدمت أيديهم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد. Alladina. Hamza is very sharp. For you are attaching a lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. La for fatha, open your jaws. The 2 counts long. Na short. Or it is heavy and 2 counts long. For any heavy, if you wanted to make any letter heavy, you are lifting the last part of your tongue towards the palate. So, but you're not circling your lips at all. Qalu, circle your lips because of dhamma here, and it is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is qalu. In hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give nice time. In now. Noon will be light for fatha, upon your jaws attached with lafz jilala. Lafz jilala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. No, ha is short. Ain from your throat for fatha, upon your jaws. He for kasra, give e sound. He, da short. E hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound. Lay 2 counts long. Na 4 counts long. Munfasil jaiz. Na. Al hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Al la, then it is 2 counts long. Nu for the circle your lips. As soon you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Nu, mi for kasra, give e sound. Na short. Li for kasra, give e sound. Ra is heavy for fatha, open your jaws. Su 2 counts long. Lean izhar with tawassut. The ruling is izhar, but sifa is tawassut. Lean had ha, and for fatha, open your jaws attached with ta. Ta is a sharp letter. The sound will cut off right away. Hat, and then ta is 2 counts long. Hat, yeah. Yeah is very soft. For fatha, open your jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will cut off the flow of sound. Yeah. Yeah, E for kasra, give E sound. Yeah is soft. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Na 2 counts long. Yeah, na. B for kasra, give E sound. Qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch ra, your lips should be in a straight position, and ra will get sifa of tawassut. Ba 2 counts long. Ikhfa. You're keeping the sound in your nose. You're not pronouncing noon with your tongue, but you are getting ready to pronounce the coming up letter, and this is ta. So your ta is among light letters, so your tongue should be in a straight position. Ta is very sharp. Even hamza is sharp. So when you will touch hamza, your sound should cut off right away. Ta, ku for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short and light. Ku, lu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Hun for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with noon. Noon will get then a gunna. Hun nar. Ra will get sifa of tawassut when we are giving it a sukoon. This is a temporary sukoon, which is turning this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. And this is madarat lis sukoon. Ta'kuluhun nar. Qul for dhamma, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qul qad for fatha, open your jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Qad ja 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Kum, but when you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Kum. Uru for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Su for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is short. Lum idgham with gunna. You keep sound in your nose for a longer time. Lum mim ikhfa. And this is heavy ikhfa because qaf is among the qaf, which is coming up later after noon sakin. So this is heavy. So our ikhfa will be heavy. So we will lift our tongue up to create this heavy ikhfa. Min qab. For fatha, open your jaws, attach ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qab. Li, 2 counts long. Bil, for kasra give e sound, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bil, bay. For fatha, open your jaws. Here, the number is wow and yeah. Whenever these are with the tashdid, you're giving number, and number is a flow. Number is a jump of sound. Bay, bay. When you are attaching ba with ya, here you are applying number. Bring the sound little up. Bay, bay. And then for kasra give e sound, the sound will be very short. E, and ya will stay light. Bay, e, na, 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Uwa for wow circle your lips for fatha upon your jaws. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam, lam will get sip after wasut. Bil, la is short. The 2 counts long. Ul for the circle your lips attached with lam, lam will get sip after wasut. Qul, qultum for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on meme. Tum, fa. Give very nice hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. As soon you will touch fatha, your letter will be completed. So don't stretch after fatha. You are creating hums before fatha. Fa, li for kasra give e sound. Ma short. Qaf, qaf is heavy for fatha. Open your jaws. Tel, ta is very sharp for fatha. Open your jaws. Attach with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Qa, tel, tu for the circle your lips. Mu circle your lips for dhamma, and it is 2 counts long. Hum for the circle your lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. In hamza is very sharp. Don't drop this sharpness of hamza even you are creating ikhfa after it. In, and the sound of this will be like ink. In, because this the ikhfa with kaf is very different. So listen how we do it. In, can you feel the difference? Yes, there is a different style of the ikhfas with different letters. Kuntum for the circle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. So lift your last part of your tongue to make sod heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Sodi for kasra give e sound. Qeen 4 counts long. So this temporary sukoon which we are giving because of the waqf on noon will turn this 2 counts long vowel into 4, and this is called what? This is called mat'arid lis-sukoon. الذين قالوا إن الله عهد إلينا ألا نؤمن لرسول حتى يأتينا بقربان تأكله النار قل قد جاءكم رسل من قبلي بالبينات وبالذي قلتم فلم قتلتموهم إن كنتم صادقين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.